Welcome to another Tectonic token price prediction, now with 1 billion tokens of Tectonic token now before the end of 2024. Let's say in the next 2 years to come. Why we are using 2024 for the fact that, remember, 2022 has been a year of bearish. So many coins actually dropped down in value, including Bitcoin. So a lot of crypto experts believe that 2024, so many crypto exchanges, so many crypto investors, everyone is talking about crypto industry in 2023. Now we believe 2023 is going to be a positive year, a bullish year, that 2023 is not going to be like 2022, but all this depend on majorly the government of different nations supporting crypto industry. Now, one good thing I love for the fact that FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, one of the official sponsors are Crypto.com. Now, with 1 billion Tectonic token, definitely in 2024, you'll be making a lot of money with 1 billion Tectonic token, because if Tectonic token deletes just 1 0, simply means your 1 billion worth of Tectonic token, which you can purchase at the rate of $98 at the time of recorded days, will be worth about $1,000. And okay, now deleting 2 zeros, because Tectonic token is now trading with 7 zeros. So deleting 2 zeros simply means your money will be worth about $9,800. Imagine investing $98 and you're earning $9,800 profit. That is a huge profit for me within the period of 2 years, because so many people believe that Tectonic token is capable of deleting 2 zeros before the end of 2024. We are talking about the next 2 years to come. So I believe Tectonic token is going to really hit a massive increase in price, and then all this will be more easier and more faster if the developer will also start massively burning Tectonic token coins, and also getting Tectonic token listed by many crypto exchanges, and also partnering with different companies. Also, Tectonic token in 2024, I believe, is going to be a positive one. Deleting 2 zeros is not easy, but I still believe it's very much possible, because we're talking about 24 months, and this is a coin a lot of people have been talking about. Tectonic token has also been increasing gradually. So I believe Tectonic token for 2024, by then BTC Bitcoin might be hitting about $300,000 to $500,000, if possible that BTC can actually hit $100,000 in 2023. Then every other crypto coins, most crypto coins, then will also be increasing in price. But with 1 billion worth of Tectonic tokens, which you can purchase at $98, will definitely end up making a lot of profit. Even though it's just 1,000% increase in price before the end of 2024, you will still end up making about $800 to $900 profit, which for me is still a good return on investment, because I don't think no financial institution, no bank can really return such high profit. I mean, no investment platform can return such. Crypto industry is amazing. There are a lot in crypto industry. You make a lot of money, you can also lose a lot of money. So that's why you have to be careful. Invest what you can afford to lose. And so remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.